31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90.
Station name PTC Akuapem. We received 800 ballot papers. We have a total delegate number of 778. And then the contestants are 4. Ballot issue is 764. These are the results. Candidate 1, the person of Honorable Ken Ohene Japan, 191. His Excellency Mahamudu Bawumia, 563. Ousu Afriye Akuto, 0. Honorable Francis Adai Limo, 7. Rejected, 3. When we look at the percentage, these are the percentages. Honorable Kennedy Ohene Japan at 25.1%. His Excellency Bawumia have 73.9%. Honorable Ousu Afriye had 0%. Honorable Francis Adai have Nimo at 0.9%. Valid vote cast 761. Rejected 3. And total vote cast in the polling station is 764. Total percentage turn up 98.33%. Thank you very much. Thank you. Especially to the security and to everybody. God bless you. Thank you.